Greetings, Patriots. Digital Soldier here. Wanted to capture this moment in time and this day and this hour. This was just posted, and I'm capturing it for our records, our archives, our history, our diary. We are the garment makers, commissioned and anointed to clothe a generation, to cover our world with garments of love, hope, and truth. We do not make garments with wool and flax. Our materials are the world and faith. Our thread is not cotton and twine. It is the devotion of our prayers and time. The fabric we are crafting is not temporal linen nor silk, but eternal garments of legacy and strength. We do not weave or spin these garments together, but with worship and surrender. And God Himself is the pattern creator. We are the garment makers, an army of spiritual seamstresses, untangling lies and revealing truth. The garments we make are not for vanity, but for the displaying of His glory. We are the garment makers, clothed in strength and dignity, and now assigned to take our place in this garment making story. Garment makers, 145. Eyes wide open, 145. All truth to be known, 145. Children first, 145. The armor of God, 145. Prophet of God, 145. Wonder Woman, 145. The end is coming, 145. I'm not crazy, 145. Quantum Garment Makers, 252. It's the final countdown, 252. All truth to be known, 252. The storm is upon us, 252. Emergency alert system, 252. Sooner than you think, 252. Do you now understand? 252. Washington, D.C. to be destroyed, 252. Happy ending for all living, 252. The Lord preserves all who love Him, but all the wicked He will destroy. Psalm 145, 20. For the books, 10/13, 2021, 11:11 was the first time we read this morning, 11:11 a.m. More to come.